In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix CapCut crashes freezing on PC. If CapCut keeps freezing, stuttering, or closing on Windows, follow along and we'll go from quick checks to deeper performance tweaks. First, open CapCut and head to Settings in the top right corner. Go to the Version tab and look for Updates. Updates often include crash fixes and performance patches, so if one is available, install it, relaunch CapCut, and test your project to see if the issue is gone. If it's still acting up, go back into Settings and open the Cache section. Click Delete Cache, confirm with OK, and let CapCut clear temporary files. Cache data can become corrupted or bloated, so removing it can instantly solve freezing and playback hiccups without affecting your projects. Next, we'll tune performance. In Settings, open the Performance tab. Under Interface Rendering, turn this on if your PC has a dedicated or capable graphics card. That lets CapCut use the GPU for smoother UI rendering. If you're on integrated graphics or an older system, disable it to avoid instability. Now find the encode and decode settings. If hardware encode or decode is currently enabled, switch them off and click Save. Some systems experience crashes when hardware acceleration is on, so disabling it forces more stable software processing. If the program still crashes after testing, return here and make sure these hardware options remain unchecked and saved. While you're in the Performance tab, enable Proxy. Proxies create lighter preview files which take a big load off your CPU and GPU during editing. Click Save to apply. Open a project and test playback, scrubbing, and simple edits. If everything feels smooth, you're good. If not, we'll optimize project level settings. Inside your project, click Modify. Remember, these settings are per project, so repeat them for each timeline that misbehaves. Under Details, set aspect ratio to original and resolution to adapted, so CapCut matches your media and your screen without overscaling. Choose a frame rate of 30 or 60 FPS. 30 uses fewer resources, while 60 is fine if your system can handle it. Under Performance, ensure Proxy is enabled and set the preview resolution to 720p. This only affects previews, not your final export, and it dramatically reduces lag during editing. Click Save. Finally, reopen the project and test playback and editing again. With these changes, most freezing, lag, and crash issues on CapCut for PC should be resolved. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more CapCut tips and tutorials.